So Montego Bay around dirty, 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 dirty. And I'm not gonna go into why I'm doing commentary videos. I'm gonna do what I want. I have a YouTube channel, and that's why I made my YouTube channel. So all you bitches that don't like it, okay, glad we got that out of the way. So I'm sure you guys seen the picture of the man that got skinned alive, or skinned period, in Montego Bay. I can't even use that picture in my content because I don't want YouTube to shut down my channel or put a strike on my channel. I don't play that. I've never gotten a strike, and I don't intend on getting a strike. I like to follow the rules and regulations. So my theory is, and I'm gonna say it again, my theory is, I don't live in Jamaica, I don't know, and people always get their panties in a bunch anytime I do my videos, but these niggas on here can do all these videos about the same thing, and these don't say nothing, but as soon as I do a video, everybody's panties and underpants in a bunch. Allow me. So my theory is, this boy took some scamming money. And if you know anything about Montego Bay, you know Montego Bay is the mecca for scammers, okay? Montego Bay was built on scammers. And the first thing I noticed about the picture was that his right hand was completely chopped off. And in Jamaica, in the western part, when you steal something, they normally chop off your right hand. That symbolizes you stole something that's not yours. And my theory is that them get some scamming money, and even those people think scamming done for, and no more scamming now go on. Scamming still like go on a JA quietly but surely, but people now floss out them money. People now buy Louis Vuitton clothes. People now buy big Benz anymore or make big house. They're more under the radar with it because they know FBI and CIA is in Jamaica. Okay, so I feel that this boy get some scamming money, and the money didn't got shared up accordingly, or got sent to the people that it was supposed to get sent to, or this boy just spent out the people their money and didn't give them what they're supposed to get. And you know, when it come on to money, they say money is the root of all evil. Okay, they're taking this serious now at Jamaica, because the money from scamming, they dry up little by little. So when them hit a 1 million, 150,000, or 110 grand, they need it because they're suffering, them poor, they don't have nothing else to do, they need to feed them family. So then they get gruesome with it. When me see the boy face, the boy literally look like they skinned him alive. The only thing left on one side of his face, a skeleton. And if you ever study anatomy and physiology and had to study all the parts of the face and stuff, you know what me talk about. Or even if you see the picture on Facebook, half of him face look like one literal skeleton. Like, they're not playing anymore at Jamaica. Them take this thing to a whole different level for the new year. And it's not even 7 days in. Not even 7 days in, and already we have 38 murders in Jamaica for the new year. Honestly, it's going to get worse before it get better, because there's no plan in place to actually make sure the crime rate decreases or go down. So me know say it go get worse before it get better. And honestly, people them in Jamaica need to start demanding something be done, and actually holding the people in high positions accountable for what they're doing and for what they're being paid for. You're not supposed to get people money and not doing anything with your prime ministership or you being a security minister. You know, work. So if you get hired to do a job, do it. And someone needs to be held accountable. But comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And she's back and forever here to stay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like I said, deuces.